Thanks, Simon. I'm a second-year PhD student at Loughborough University, but this work is based on my Emirates dissertation, which was 2 years ago. And the work was with Professor Kevin Lomas and Dr. Stephen Firth. This study was one of the first nationally representative studies of summertime temperatures in the English homes. The main aims of this research was first to extend our understanding of the summertime temperatures and thermal comfort in English homes, and also to investigate the impacts of location, build type, building age, and wall type on summer indoor temperatures, and also to compare static and adaptive thermal comfort criteria as measures of overheating risk. The data collection, the living room and bedroom temperatures of over 250 homes across the UK was gathered every 45 minutes during the CAR project, which happened in summer 2007, which was a relatively cool summer. The houses, the sample was selected in order to be a national representative of the national housing stock. Also, the household interviews regarding the building characteristics, heating practices, and also social demographics was done by the CAR researchers. The external temperature data was sourced from the British Atmospheric Data Centre for the warmest period, which was 22nd of July to 31st of August 2007. A large part of this project was the data cleaning and preparation, which we needed to exclude the erroneous data from our database. Interestingly, we found that 14% of the homes were heated during the warmest period of that summer. Also, we had to exclude the sensors which had error due to, for example, extreme responses to solar radiations, or those which were showing no temperature change. So after that, we came up with 193 free-running buildings, which we analyzed further. The criteria for our temperature assessment were two criteria. One was the static one, based on the CIBS recommendations and other monitoring studies, and the other one was adaptive approach, which was based on Beizaee 15251. It has two categories. Category 1 for normal level of three categories, but we used two categories. Category 2 for normal level of expectation, and category 3, which was acceptable level of expectations. The key findings of this research was that based on the adaptive thermal comfort approach, we found that the UK households tend to operate their homes such that the internal temperatures were lower than those suggested by the adaptive approach as the comfort temperatures. We found over 72% of the living rooms and bedrooms had more than 5% of hours below the category 2 of the adaptive standard, and even 50% of them were more than 5% below category 3 of the standard. However, the static approach shows that although it was a cool summer, 21% of the bedrooms had more than 5% of nighttime hours over 26 degrees C, which is a recommended upper limit for the bedrooms. We've conducted the chi-square test to find out the significances of the temperatures, and we found that the warmer homes were those which were the newer homes built after 1990, or with the cavity walls, the insulated ones, and the flats. And the cooler ones were detached. Thank you. So, if you want more information, you can read my paper.